Welcome back guys to the third lesson, and today we're gonna cover viewport navigation and transforms. So to know how to use viewport control, first of all you can use this question mark here, and if you will click it, you will open a page that explains different kind of viewport controls. You can read this page later if you want, but now I will explain you how to control the viewport. If you will hold down your left mouse button and will start to move it forward or backward, you will start to move through the world forward and backward, and if you will move your mouse to the left or right, you will start to turn on the spot. If you will hold the left and right buttons on your mouse and will start to move forward or backward, you will move up or down. And if you will move your mouse to the left or right, you will start straight side movements. And this is the one option how you can control the viewport, and another option you can just hold down your right mouse button and use keyboard keys to move around the world. For example, if you will hold down right mouse button and you will press W, you will start to move forward, S to move backward, A to move to the left, D to move to the right. If you will press E, you will go up, Q to go down, C to zoom in, and Z to zoom out. Using your mouse wheel you can set the speed of all movements, so if you want to move slow, just scroll down the wheel, or if you want to move fast, you need to scroll up the wheel. You can also change the movement speed at the right top here, and you can use this slider to set the camera speed. And that's about the movements around the level. Now let's talk about actor selection, movements and transform. You can select actor with the left mouse button by just clicking on it, and you will see a gizmo here, and you can move actor now using these arrows. For example, if you will move the actor using green arrow, you will start to move by Y direction. Red arrow will move actor by X direction and blue by Z direction. You can see viewport directions on the left bottom corner of the viewport. And that calls actor translation. And if you will press E key, you will switch to actor rotation, and now we can rotate it. If you will press R key, you can scale your actor. You can also select these tools here as well, and one important thing that I would like to mention is that gizmo, especially for scaling, allows you to scale objects proportionally in all directions using this white cube in center. For now, let's take a look to actor details tab, and you can see here transform section. You can also transform your actor from here as well. You can see here color bars that indicates different directions, and you can set the value here with the input, or you can hold your left mouse button and move your mouse to change all these values. And basically that's it for transforms and world movement, and on the next lesson we will go deeply with Unreal Engine learning, and I will explain about the level grid and units. But for today I wish you all the best and thanks for watching.